Principles of management. Managers and managing. Management key concepts. Organization. People working together and coordinating their actions to achieve specific goals. Second, goal. A desired future condition that the organization seeks to achieve. Management. The process of using organizational resources to achieve the organization goals by planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. Resources are organizational assets and include people, machinery, raw material, informational skills, financial capital. Managers are the people responsible for for supervising the use of an organization's resources to meet its goal. Organizations must provide a good or service desired by its customer. David Johnson of Campbell Soup manages his firm to provide quality food products. Physicians, nurses, and healthcare administrators seek to provide healing from sickness. McDonald's restaurants provide burgers, fries, and shakes that people want to buy. Measures how efficiently and effectively managers use resources to satisfy customers and achieve goals. Efficiency. A measure of how well resources are used to achieve a goal. Usually, managers must try to minimize the input of resources to attain the same goal. Effectiveness. A measure of the appropriateness of the goal chosen. Are these the right goals and the degree to which they are achieved? Organizations are more effective when managers choose the correct goals and then achieve them. Managerial functions. Henry Fayol was the first to describe the four managerial functions when he was the CEO of a large mining company in the later 1800s. Fayol noted managers at all levels operating in a for-profit or not-profit organization must perform each of the function of planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. Planning to choose goal, organizing, working together, leading, coordinate, controlling, monitor, and measure. Planning. Planning is the process used by managers to identify and select appropriate goals and course of action for an organization. Three steps to good planning. Which goals should be pursued? How should the goals be attained? How should resources be allocated? The planning function determines how effective and efficient the organization is and determines the strategy of the organization. Organizing. In organizing, managers create the structure of working relationship between organizational members that best allows them to work together and achieve goals. Managers will group people into departments according to the task performed. Manager will also lay out lines of authority and responsibility for members. An organizational structure is the outcome of organizing. This structure coordinates and motivates employees so that they work together to achieve goals. In leading, managers determine direction, state a clear vision for employees to follow, and help employees understand the role they play in attaining goals. Leadership involves a manager using power, influence, vision, persuasion, and communication skills. The outcome of the leading function is a high level of motivation and commitment from employees to the organization. In controlling, managers evaluate managers evaluate how well the organization is achieving its goals and take corrective actions to improve performance. Managers will monitor individual departments and the organization to determine if desired performance has been reached. Managers will also take action to increase performance as required. The outcome of controlling function is the accurate measurement of performance and regulation of efficiency and effectiveness. Management levels. Organizations often have three levels of managers: first line managers, middle managers, top managers. First line managers, responsible for day to day operations, they supervise the people performing the activities required to make the goods or service. Middle managers supervise first line managers, they are also responsible to find the best way to use departmental resources to achieve goals. Top managers, responsible for the performance of all departments and have cross-departmental responsibility. They establish organizational goals and monitor middle managers. Three level of management: top managers, middle managers, first line managers, non-management. Restructuring. Top management have sought methods to restructure their organizations and save cost. Downsizing. Eliminate job at all levels of management can lead to high efficiency, often result in low morale and customers complaint about service. Management trends. Empowerment. Expand the task and responsibilities of manager. Supervise, Supervisors might be empowered to make some resources allocation decisions. Self-managed teams give a group of employees responsibility for supervising their own action. The team can monitor its members and the quality of work performed. Managerial roles described by Mintzberg. A role is set of specific tasks a person performs because of the position they hold. Roles are directed inside as well outside the organization. There are three broad categories: interpersonal, informational, decision. Interpersonal roles. Roles managers assume to coordinate and interact with employees and provide direction to the organization. Figurehead role symbolizes the organization and what it is trying to achieve. Leader's role train, counsel, and mentor and encourage high employee performance. Liaison role link and coordinate people inside and outside the organization to help achieve goals. Informational roles associated with the task needed to obtain and transmit information for management of the organization. Monitor role analyze the information from both the internal and external environment. Disseminator role manager transmits information to influence attitude and behavior of employees. Spokesperson role use of information to positively influence the way people in and out of organization respond to it. Decisional roles associated with the method managers use to plan strategy and utilize resources to achieve goals. Entrepreneurial role deciding upon new projects or program to initiate and invest. Disturbance handler role assume responsibility for handling an unexpected event or crisis. Resource allocator role assign resources between function and divisions, set budgets of lower managers. Negotiator role seek to negotiate solution between other managers, union, custom, and shareholders. Managerial skills. There are three skills set that manager needs to perform effectively: conceptual skills, human skills, technical skills. Conceptual skills, the ability to analyze and diagnose a situation and find the cause and effect. Human skills, the ability to understand, alter, lead, and control people behavior. Technical skill, the job specific knowledge required to perform a task. Common example include marketing, accounting, and manufacturing. All three skills are enhanced through formal training, reading, and practice. Skills needed by manager level: top manager, middle manager, line manager. Top manager needs conceptual skills, middle manager needs human skills, and line manager needs technical skills. Management challenges: increasing number of global organizations, building competitive advantage through superior efficiency, quality, innovation, and responsiveness. Increasing performance while remaining ethical managers, managing an increasingly diverse workforce using new technologies.